Hey, what's going on guys? This is Kedar here. Today in this video we have got latest update regarding eFootball 2023, the maintenance schedule, when the maintenance will be going to end, when the servers will be back up. Also they have issued compensation for these important issues, when you'll be going to receive the compensation, how much will be the compensation, also the exact timings of the maintenance because they have just recently extended the maintenance schedule. So today we'll be going to discuss all the details. So let's get right into all the details. Alright guys, so eFootball 2023 they have got recently tons and tons of updates. They have recently extended the maintenance and these are the issues regarding eFootball League Division 1 and they are introducing new progression points allocation reset. Now what does exactly mean? Let me show you. Recently, there was lots of issues regarding eFootball League Division 1. They have actually confirmed these issues on 8th of the June 2023 regarding the game where the final tally of the time phase was erroneously set at 1:30 UTC on end date instead of the original timing of 2 UTC. And therefore, as a consequence, as a result, matches played between 1:30 to 1:59 UTC are not reflected into the rankings, which is a pretty serious issue. Therefore, there is a possibility that rewards offered in these installments of eFootball League may be different than the previous installment. So what they are going to do, they are implemented a fix issue during the 8th of the June maintenance, that's today's maintenance, and the ranking tally will resume to normal from the phase 10 onwards. And therefore guys, as a compensation, this is good news for you. You will be going to receive 30,000 GP to all the users, those who have created the account before 8th of the June 2023 on 1:59 UTC. So this is a great news, but let me tell you about the recent maintenance schedule. The maintenance has been extended because it's taking normal than usual. So this is their konami.com. They have got the exact maintenance schedule dates on 8th of the June. They have just extended the maintenance and they have just issued the notice for the maintenance extension and they have got new date and time. So right here onto the 8th of the June 2023 at 10 UTC, they'll be going to end the maintenance as per the latest details guys, and they have apologized for any inconvenience caused. Online services will resume after 8th of the June 10 UTC. So watch this time very carefully and this will be for all the devices. So hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to hit that like, share this video, subscribe, and this is Kedar from How to Guys. See you in the next video.